If you still haven't tried this amazing effect, save it for your next video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do this edit. So first of all, you record yourself touching the wall like that. Then you go to your reminder and create your reminders. After creating your reminders, then you make a screen recording of you ticking them off. Then you go to your project and use the screen recording of your reminder clip as your overlay. Then you scroll down to transform and click on resize to make sure you resize it. Make sure your phone is on dark mode while you do the screen recording of your reminders. So you reposition it on the screen, then you scroll down to splice and click on filter. Then it's going to remove the background. So make sure you position that your overlay, your reminder overlay, where you are pointing. So after positioning it like this, then you duplicate your first video of you pointing, scroll down to duplicate and make your duplicate as an overlay. So after making it as an overlay, you bring it beneath the reminder clip, then you highlight it and scroll down to remove BG and remove the background from that overlay. So after removing the background, your video should look like this.